Let's unbox the Natural Valentine's craft kit from Natural Earth Paint. So the first item in the box are these 12 wooden hearts. They're the perfect size for kids' crafts, not too big, not too small. Next item in the box are the paint pouches, which are so cute. It's the perfect amount of pigment. All you do is mix these with water, and then you have paint that washes off your clothes and your kids' clothes, which is super important. And then the last items in the box are these 2 bamboo paintbrushes. They're really, really nice quality brushes, and I love that they were so thoughtfully designed with little kids in mind. They're the perfect size for little artists. It also has ideas, tips on the back, and then also this is 100% post-consumer recycled box, and the pouches of paint are not plastic, they're actually home compostable, which I love. Plus the whole place that they're made is powered by solar. Now let's get into the tutorial part, and I will show you how to do 3 different designs on the wooden hearts in the Valentine's Day craft kit. The first one we're going to be starting with is the one on the right, and we're going to start by painting a white heart in the center. What I love about these paints are that there are only 3 ingredients, which are natural earth pigments, organic cornstarch, and gum arabic, which is tree sap. And how you make the paint is you just mix the powder with 1 teaspoon of water and just as much as you needed. Some of the pigments need a little bit more water or a little bit less, so start with 1 teaspoon and then just add a 1/4 teaspoon as you go. For this red heart, I'm painting the background completely red, and you can add more layers if you want, or you can thin your paint with water to make it a little more transparent and have that wood grain come through. And then I'm just dipping my brush into the white and dotting it with little polka dots. So that's our first heart. Our second heart is going to be a bow, a purple bow with a pink background. I'm starting by outlining the bow with purple and filling in the shape. I like these brushes because you can add as much detail as you want, but they're also the perfect size for filling in your shapes. And now I'm going to add a pink background. So I'm going to show you how to mix up pink, and I'm going to do it directly on my wooden heart. You can do this in a separate container if you'd like, by mixing white and pink and adjusting for how red you want or how light you want your pink to be. So I'm mixing about double the amount of white as I am to red. I'm just mixing directly on my wooden heart and then filling in all of the gaps. And now I'm just going to add a tiny bit of white for highlights on the bow. And that is our bow heart. For our third and final heart, I'm going to do a rainbow pattern. This is the easiest design in the video, and it's perfect for all ages. All you're going to do is dip into each color and add a curved line right next to each other, and I'm going in rainbow order with a white background. So I'm starting with red, going into a little bit of the yellow, and then I'm going to go into the green, and then lastly I will go into the purple, and then I'll just fill in the bottom with white as well to balance out the heart. These are the 3 different design ideas that you could paint on your wooden hearts with the Natural Earth Paint craft kit for Valentine's Day. You could also do things like glue on flowers, leaves, or candy. You could write notes on the back and give them out to your classmates or friends, partners, whoever. And if you want more ideas, don't forget to check out the back of the box and scan the QR code, as there are a ton more ideas on our website. Happy Valentine's Day!